What is going on, guys? We're in the back of a 2000 Subaru 25 RS and making a video to show everyone how to put in these like, what would you call it, like the molding or like the arches in the rear with the seat belts and everything, because I just got this thing and the guy gutted the interior and I'm putting it all back together. It's kind of jank, it's kind of janky, however you want to say it. So let's get right into it. So you're gonna want to take these. You see the big white piece which has the coil in it or whatever for the seat belt, and you're gonna want to figure out how it sits right. So take this one, there's a bolt in it. Yeah, this is better, put the flash on. So you want to take this bolt and you want to get it in that hole, and forever which way it fits. So it looks like on this one it'll be fitting like this. So I think, let me check that. Still new to this, haven't done these ever before. So it looks like these will be like that, and then these, they have little like hooks in them which go into the side. So I believe it's like that. We get that and we'll hit it with the impact. So I just drilled this in, tighten it all, that bolt in the back, you can kind of see it, and it hooks in. You can see that black piece right there hooks into the side. So now it kind of gets to the more trickier parts. Here we see the guy already put these back in, so you'd at least have front driver seats in this thing, so front seats. So we gotta take this off. So we gotta see it's got that yellow piece, got that, so we'll do that. So we'll take this piece off. Okay, so remember how this stuff goes, so when you put it back together you know what you're doing. So now it's time for this pillar. It's so uncomfortable in the back of these. I do not recommend ever gutting your car if you ever plan on putting it back how it is. So now you want to take this piece and put it up to here, and take that bolt and washers and put it in. So now we will tighten it. Make sure this is good. Yep, okay. Here we go. Tighten it. That's in there. Now we want to put this piece over here, and then there are clips like this and they go into those places, so line it up and try popping in the best you can. This one in, how we did it was we line it up like I said, and you just kind of, what I like to do is just kind of pound it in with my fist. It might be hard on it, but you know what, now that this is in, you want to get this piece. It's kind of weird looking, but you want to get this sharp part or whatever into this area right here and match that up with the hole. And then you want to take this piece too. Well, it fell out, but you want to match that up with the hole too. So now we got it like that. We want to take this one right here and we're going to put it in there. So yeah, I'll get that done and we'll meet back. Now it's time to tighten them. So now for the final part, we put this in. And mine didn't come with any hardware in it because, like I said, people before me gutted it and didn't think of giving me any of the hardware that came with it. We're gonna put this back in the best we can, and then I'm gonna put my leather seats in and we'll call her a night. How do these work? Hopefully that video helped you guys. I know if I had a video like that, it sure would have helped me. So if it did help you out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Say if there's any other things I missed or any things I can improve on, comment it down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.